Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw topic. And in today's video, I will show you on how to save CorelDraw file as PDF without any stress. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and right here this particular file. I'm going to use it as an example. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here where you have file. So click on that. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on save as. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to choose your file destination. So in this tutorial, I'm going to save into this particular PSD file right here. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, click on save type as. Then you have to make sure you go ahead and look for PDF, which is Adobe Portable Document right here. So next thing you want to do there is allow everything to. Then click on, go ahead and click on save right here. So this dialog box here is going to pump up right there. So current document selected. So this is where you need to do all the proper settings. So if it is a multiple pages, you have to make sure you go ahead and click on pages right there. Then enter the number of pages. But this is just a single design, so there is no need of that. Then PDF preset. If you have a custom preset format, click on distribution and choose any of the formats right here. If you want it to be editable, go ahead and click on editing right here. I'm going to leave it in documents, distribution, and the Acrobat DC is going to open it. Next thing you want to do is come down below right there, hit on OK. Successfully save CorelDraw as PDF. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your CorelDraw software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.